In this video, we will walk through an important part of your EasyWater 5-button main control valve's regular maintenance. This maintenance is necessary to maintain optimal system performance.
You will need a service wrench or pair of channel locks, needle nose pliers, a paper clip, toothbrush, and cleaning solution such as peroxide, iron out, or CLR.
System bypass. Place the system into bypass by turning both of the red handles so that they are perpendicular to the system's inlet and outlet. Relieving pressure within the tank. Start a manual regeneration by pressing and holding the Regen button for 3 to 5 seconds and until you hear the piston move. Allow the first stage of regeneration to run for 1 minute. The clock will count backward. After the first stage has run for 1 minute, press and release the Regen button again. This will advance the valve to the next stage in the cycle. Press and release the Regen button again and once more until the valve returns to the time of day. Accessing and removing the screen and injector.
Locate the black injector cap located on the top side of the valve. Unscrew the black injector cap using either a service wrench or channel locks.
Unscrew the black injector cap. Remove the small black cone screen on the underside of the injector cap and place to the side for cleaning. Remove the injector and place to the side for cleaning. Blue or white in color. You may need to use a pair of needle nose pliers to gently remove the injector. The injector is removed by pulling straight up. There is only one injector. The remaining component is an injection plug and should not be removed. The injection plug may be black or gray in color. Cleaning screen and injector. Place the screen and injector into your cleaning solution. Soak for 10 to 15 minutes in cleaning solution. Using a toothbrush, gently scrub the screen and injector to remove any buildup or debris. The components may still look discolored or stained, which is okay. Removing the debris and buildup is the purpose of this step. Unfold one end of the paperclip so that the one end is straight. Insert the straight end of the paperclip down the center of the injector to clear any debris or buildup in the small hole that runs through the center of the injector. Be careful not to bore out the hole or make it any larger. Replacing screen and injector. Place the cleaned injector back into the valve where DN is stamped. Place the cleaned screen back underneath the black injector cap. Hand tighten the black injector cap. Do not over-tighten. Placing system back in service. Place the system back into service mode by turning the red handles, the bypass valve, so that they are parallel to the system's inlet and outlet. Checking for leaks.
Check for leaks and if needed, address any leaks. If none present, manually backwash the system by holding the Regen button for 5 seconds. The backwash cycle will automatically begin. This process will take approximately 60 minutes to complete, after which maintenance is complete.
If additional assistance is needed, please contact our EasyWater support team at 1-888-766-7258.